Hi there, yoga friends. I'm so happy you're here to practice with me today. Before we begin, remember to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe.
Let's start. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward and bring your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips high and imagine you're a happy puppy stretching after a nap. Sit with your legs stretched out in front. Reach your arms up, then fold forward gently over your legs. Try to relax your head and shoulders. No need to touch your toes. Stand tall. Reach left arm overhead and gently lean to the right. Lengthen the left side body and breathe smoothly. Stand tall. Reach right arm overhead and lean left. Stretch the right side body and breathe smoothly. Pressing hands and feet into the floor to lift the body into a deep back bend, arching the spine and opening the chest while straightening the arms. Standing with feet wide, hinging sideways to reach one hand down to the leg while extending the opposite arm vertically to open the chest. Lie on your stomach. Bend both knees. Grab ankles and lift chest and legs. Open the front body. Engage the back and breathe deeply. Lie on your back. Bend knees. Feet hip width. Lift hips. Press into feet and arms, opening chest. Hold and breathe deeply. Kneel. Lift chest. Press hips forward and reach hands to heels. Open heart, lengthen spine, and breathe deeply. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Rest your forehead on the mat and let your arms relax. Feel safe and peaceful, like a resting child. Lie down on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders and lift your chest. Look forward like a proud cobra sneak, sitting cross-legged with a straight spine. Start on hands and feet. Lift hips. Reach arms up. Bend down into an inverted V. Lengthen spine. Stretch legs and breathe steadily. Balancing on one leg while placing the sole of the other foot against the inner thigh and raising the arms with palms pressed together overhead. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.